Hey, this is Emily from Supplyhouse.com, and in this video, we'll talk about Bluefin Toilet Risers.
A riser is an essential part of any toilet installation or replacement project. Built with quality materials and pro-rated for harsh conditions, Bluefin Toilet Risers rise to the occasion and keep any system leak-free for the long haul. Bluefin Toilet Risers are made from high-quality stainless steel, which makes them durable and long-lasting. They also have a nickel-plated brass nut that prevents corrosion and reduces wear thanks to its low coefficient of friction. The inner tube of the Bluefin Toilet Risers is made from NSF-approved PVC, which gives it excellent resistance to weathering and strong, long-lasting performance. The built-in EPDM washer makes the washer help the riser stand up to abrasion and harsh chemicals, preventing leaks, even in harsh conditions. The Bluefin Toilet Risers are able to withstand a maximum operating temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit at 125 psi for safe and effective use in a wide variety of systems. Get Bluefin Toilet Risers with fast shipping from Supplyhouse.com.
Click here to order yours today, and make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.